pirate now. Pirate Mario.
I'm your commanding officer. I'm the head pirate. Yeah.
Oh no, Luigi, please help me. Wait a minute,
Oh.
something seems a bit off. Luigi.
Yes, I feel like this has been done already.
Yeah, didn't Bowser Jr. become a pirate once?
That's
Like in 2019?
Well, actually he did, and along with his other friends.
Look,
Ah.
this fireworks. Just, Anyways, welcome guys. Welcome to Super Mario's family. So yeah, everybody, that's the cool thing about this year. That we're gonna be planning to do so many fun. What the? Luigi, where did you come from? Did you just make a 460-degree turn?
No, I actually made a 420-degree turn.
These fireworks are scary. Like seriously.
You should have brought the sweater. It's kind of chilly out here.
Yeah, chilly.
Yeah, I wonder what other things is there to do. Ah! What? What the? What was that? What was that, guys?
Come over here, Junior. Look, I'll show you.
Okay. Ah, these things don't work. Huh? Where'd they go? Jeez, they left kind of fast, man. I didn't even see. Ah!
They're called puppets. These are really hit nowadays. No, they're not. They've been around for like a really long time now. I
Oh,
just like thinking of it. Look, basically just bam.
they actually throw fire?
Yeah, but you can.
That's
barely
so
see it.
cool, man.
Well, let me try throwing one at you though.
No.
Oh, get back here, Junior.
No, don't throw it at me.
You
No,
want-
don't throw it at me. No. Oh,
No.
missed. Anyways, let me try. Come on, don't be hasty.
Good thing there's a huge pack and there's like a ton of them there. Yo.
Excellent. You mean so I can do this? And this? And mostly this?
Doesn't even work. You need strength, Junior. That's what you're missing.
Well, I can also do this. Oh, that didn't work either.
You better idea.
Whoa, that's a lot of puppets.
And there's still more in here. Look. Okay.
Even if throwing it doesn't work, I can still just stomp on it like Nikocado Avocado. Oh, I think that one's over.
Yo.
Oh. Whoa. You just missed that one.
Hey, watch this. This is actually gonna kill a fire. Darn it.
Ooh, that one
Watch
actually
this.
came
This
out
will
with
get right
sparks.
in the middle. Yo.
I didn't get to see, that was so fast.
I know, that's how cool they are.
Yeah.
I wonder what everyone else is doing here.
I don't know. Oh man, the air quality's getting horrible.
Yoinks! It's so dusty and windy over here in this playground. I think I'm gonna go over there. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll go over there. Yoink! I guess I should go to the other playground instead. What the? Junior, wait, what are you doing? I'm so tired right now. Stop running. I'm a turtle, remember? Whoa. Oh wait, you're also a turtle.
Oh wait.
Core Rider, yoink! I'm gonna beat you there.
Oh, we made it.
Yoink!
Yay, we're in the playground.
Never mind, it's tired.
I wonder where Toad is.
I think everyone else is in this playground right now. Remember when Shrek was going down the slide like last year? That was
Yeah, I remember. That was fun.
Hey, look, Hubba Bubba. Yoink.
Up the Hubba Bubba. Hubba Bubba. I don't like fireworks anymore.
Hey guys, it looks like Kirby was here. Yoink.
Hey, you're right.
Nah, he wouldn't do graffiti earlier.
No.
Huh.
Would he?
Anyways,
I don't know.
Anyways, look at this pole I found. Yoink.
Ooh.
I'm gonna slide down like a natural.
Hey, that's what I did. I remember I took that other one right here.
I should have brought my fart gun.
Oh. I beat you, Core. Yeah. You ain't gonna take me alive. At least he doesn't have his dumb fart gun again.
Yeah, but I'm already done. This was a smart to open up a new show. Even if our heads are not still.
I agree, sports fans.
Oh, I made it here first.
Yeah, I guess so.
What
is this place?
Hey, what happened to your head? Oh,
Yeah.
this is just my disguise.
This is my disguise too, actually.
I think you should take a walk here. Alright,
Welcome,
what
sports fans. This is our very own
wood chip shop.
Yeah. Wow, that's really interesting, guys.
Didn't you do that once with Baby Mario when you were trying to sell him the weird things that look like lightsabers?
Oh, yeah, that was me. Yeah, that's right. But wait, I don't.
What are you talking about? You're not a boy.
What the? Oh.
Oh yeah, well take this.
Fake news.
Liar! Yo, I get to work.
Yeah! Congratulations, Cord. I
Did you just say score?
I said core.
Okay, good.
Ouch! Oh man, these hats are uncomfortable. Yeah! Oh,
So what would you like to buy? Yo.
wait, you work here now, Cord?
Did you just see what happened?
What kind of things do you guys have?
We have wood chip cupcakes.
Wood chip burritos.
Wood chip cakes.
We also have wood chip pencils and stickers and
You
stuff
have
like
wood chip barbecue bacon burgers, right? Yeah, we do.
that. Really? I thought we only served your pizza here. One wood chip cupcake, please.
Wood chip sausage cupcake. Okay, that'll be one triangle. Oh, wood chip. Yeah.
Oh, and you have to shape it like a triangle. So you can't just give us a whole pile of wood chips. Alright, sounds good.
Yo.
I'll get it done in like less than 2 seconds. Watch me.
Yo. Mattress score. Huh.
I told you I got it in less than 2 seconds. Yeah.
Faster than me? Probably not. Oh,
Wait, where do you go?
gotta go fast.
Oh, no, just do the triangle.
You don't work here. You can only work if you say 2 words, and that is
Fake
no
news.
way in my life. The next. Oh yeah, fine. I'll say the 2 words.
Fake news.
It's dumb. All right, you're alone.
Yeah, sure. I made a triangle. Can I get my sushi cupcake now?
All right, let's cupcake coming right now.
Yeah.
Oh, I can make one instantly.
Alright then, chill.
Yeah, breakfast is served.
No one has cupcakes for breakfast.
Well, look, it even has a cherry on the top.
Really? Hey, you're right. That's a good cherry.
You know
I
what?
took it off.
All right, thank you for purchasing, and we'll be taking our wood chips. Yo.
Oh, you destroyed it. Come on.
You out! We know how to work here already! Yeah! You get a promotion! A promotion! Yo!
Wow, I
Oh,
don't
let me eat
understand
some.
anything. Hey, there's like cupcake.
Anyway, wonder what's going on upstairs.
Wow.
Wow!
Oh,
Hey, I found this! Wow! Oh, mommy! Oh, so. It's not funny! It's not funny! Wow!
wow, you said more. Oh, I think Papa just delivered
Oh,
my
yeah.
pizza to my house.
I'll show you, mommy! No!
My pizza, look, it was flying Papa's Whoa! Wait, come back, I got my pizza already. I have the money. Whoa! Come back here with my Papa John. Don't worry. We'll go get some Little Caesars will be ready.
It's not that funny!
Yes, it is.
Yeah, you gotta go get it for you!
Wow!
Did I make you laugh?
Oh, no!
Oh, yeah!
Oh!
You know what, Mario? I'm done with this.
Oh! No, wait, no. Oh! What's it? You'll never take it like me. Say, where's that one? Where was that? Oh! Mommy! You dropped all the damage. I'm not afraid of anything anymore.
You know what? That was not revenge. Wow, I just want to show you this really cool pop.
It's pretty cool, yes.
You know these fireworks aren't that scary.
Yeah, I know. Only a real jerk will be afraid of fireworks. Yeah. Wow, yeah, I know, right?
Hey,
Yeah.
you
Yeah,
know
you're
what?
getting sweaty here.
Yeah.
Let me show you.
I should take off this cap right now.
Yes.
Oh,
Oh, no more. You're grounded.
going back to the shop.
Whoever does those fireworks, you're grounded. What is this place?
Joe.
Who's Joe?
I wonder who Joe is.
Joe grounded. Yeah. No, that's just a troll. What? No, that's ridiculous. What am I doing, Joe?
I'm gonna save you, gun.
Hey, I'm at 40.
Bye, Bowser.
Goodbye, Waluigi. Goodbye, you two. And you're grounded. Ah! Oh, make the inferno noises stop.
I wonder how we're gonna be able to.
Wah, my ears and nose burns. My nose burns. Waluigi, call the paramedics. Wah. I'm suffering. Oh, look, a mattress. No, it's mine.
No, it's
Oh,
mine.
scoot over, it's mine. Yeah. Oh.
It broke.
There's no escape from these fireworks.
It broke,
It's
Bowser.
the end. Goodbye, Waluigi. You weren't good. I wish you could have been my brother.
I'm sorry for using your empty tool space.
Yeah. Wait, what?
Nothing.
Oh, it's over, guys. We're all grounded, even me. Wait, actually, not me. Still you guys, but not me, though. But we're all doomed to fireworks. Oh. Wait, there's only one way to defend ourselves from these fireworks.
Ow.
Let's use it on them.
That's
Yeah, let's go. Attack! I have sparklers.
We should have brought his bomb. He's perfect for this stuff.
Yeah, we can use bomb on him. He's perfect for that.
He's both like both wars and fireflies.
And orange would be the lighter because, I mean, these gases are really toxic.
My Luigi number one. Take that, you fire.
Good job, Waluigi. I'm proud of you. Good job, Waluigi. Oh, you run more.
I think
That will scare away the fireworks for sure.
I think Junior and Toad and all that, they were using the others.
Oh, cool. I think they're starting to calm down just because of that one. But we should try more just in case.
They don't realize he's over there.
Don't bother me, I'm scared. Come on, we'll get over this. It's
We're
fine.
gonna scare away the fire.
Imagine to be wah wah
Oh yeah, take that.
wah. Oh yes. We're safe. We're safe for now. Wah. Whoa. We got it now.
Let me stop it.
Oh yes. We're oh
Wow, good job, Mario. I think we scared away the fireworks.
I just didn't know how we were gonna do it. Oh, it is still going. At least till the night is up.
Bye, fireworks.
Goodbye, fireworks. You were the best. Until now.
Okay, bye.
Oh
I
yeah.
wonder what Toad and Junior were doing with you.
Yeah, I know. There's a bunch of these. Look, so many colors.
Hey, I think they're over there.
Oh.
Yoy, I'm doing it.
All right, pass it to me. Yeah. Yeah. Here you go, Toad.
No, I don't want it.
Too bad you have to take it. Oh shoot.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'll take it. No.
Here you go. Oh, you got it right now. Oh, yeah, mine right now, but who cares? You got it.
Yo, and I'm laying on the ground.
Take that, you filthy fireworks. Yeah. We're so proud of you. Oh, you're ungrounded. Ooh, we got ungrounded. Yeah, after an eruption. Yay! We all did it! Yay! They calmed down! Alright. Wait, how are they still going? Yeah, but we calmed down most of them.
Guys, it's the time to go. What?
Oh,
Can we hang out like our last 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Sure, why not? Let's just hang out, all of us.
Yeah. I don't know.
Oh, the worst. Oh my gosh,
I got
what
inside.
do you have inside there? Oh!
I thought we were the Macarena. Yeah. Yeah, chocolate cocoa beans.
Barbecue bacon burger.
Wow, this is
Now
insane.
that's what I call spectacular over there.
Yeah. What's that side, huh?
Ooh, someone help me out over here.
Sure. Wow.
Oh, being a sailor is a lot harder than
Oh, take over you want, Sonic.
Whoa.
In fact, it's always that side that has the most fireworks.
Oh, wow, that's iconic blue and red. Look.
Yeah, they have the patriotic colors. Look. Yeah.
Boy, this has been an amazing trip.
It sure has been.
You know what, guys? Let's just give him a little bit of background real quick. So, let's just say, fireworks, Nick.
That's enough.
Now for real, though. Be quiet, fireworks.
You can't just tell them to be quiet. They won't let. Oh.
Told you.
Yeah.
There you go. in 2018, we did indeed upload a 4th of July video.
But it was a lost file.
Yeah, it's kind of like a lost media, but we could possibly in a few years or so try to remake it.
Or we can bring it back. That's if we can find out how.
Yeah, like, really.
And Dr. Manny.
But the problem is that, you know Yoshi's Crazy Day didn't come out as good as the real one. Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah. Hey, that's also lost media.
A bit more background, it's lost media like Leachy just said. Oh no, we're talking about fireworks.
Oh, watch out, watch out.
I probably
Whoa!
Wow.
How did you know it was gonna come? Ha! I know it. I know a thing or two about fireworks now.
Probably.
Thanks to Corn Toad, of course.
More like thanks to Bob.
Ooh! Ooh!
Alright, bye guys, we'll see you later.
Yeah,
Yo.
happy 4th of July, guys.
Score for score.
Yay!
Alright, bye everyone. Bowser, I thought you said you were gonna bring back villager news today.
What?
Oh,
I
he
said
never
today.
said today. He just said he would bring it back soon.
Fake news.
Bye everyone. It's job.
Bye, everyone.
Yeah, yoink. And by the way, score for score, yoink.
Wow.
Hey, I wonder what Bob and Orange have been doing this whole time.
Yeah, I wonder what they are.
Oh yeah. I know.
I wonder where Mario and Luigi are. They're missing out.
Decided to stay for the house party.
It's a whole home to ourselves. Yeah, I still have more. Yeah, we got both of them.
Look, I'm making a figure eight. Yeah. Alright.
Are you
Oh
kidding?
yeah, that explosion went like boom. Went crazy. It's even more
Let's
like
get right out.
barbecue.
Barbecue bacon burger.
Barbecue bacon.
Fake news.
Look guys, it's dropping fire. I'm gonna drop it downstairs.
Turn it red. Oh, that's camera.
Hey, we just hit anyone.
I bet it hit Luigi or something when they came back.
Mario.
Man, it's really late out here. I wonder when they're gonna come back. Yeah. Look, it's dropping. Drop it on the neighbor. No, I'm kidding. No. Oh no, I was just joking. Oh, that's a figure eight. That's a circle. Woo. Yeah. Uh oh, I think one landed on me. Nah, I'm kidding. But that's so cool. Yeah. You know what? Thank you for inviting me to Norm's earlier today. It was delicious.
I like the French fries they got.
And IHOP too. I like the new Sussy Minions movie special.
And there's vanilla banana shake.
Well, anyways, that was a sure a lot of darn fun with those
Oh,
things.
there's still more down there. We just haven't got.
Oh yeah, and some of them are in the park too.
Yeah.
What the only problem is, Orange? Cleaning it up.
Oh yeah.
There's so many.
Well, anyways, this has been our 4th of July. Oh, there's still more fireworks going on
Yep.
in the background.
Still fireworks. We probably won't be able to show it because of like, they just don't pass around this area. What?
Oh, there, my that was a huge firework.
Oh, I saw one. I saw one, definitely.
Yeah, definitely.
Anyway, bye everyone. And we were the ones to conclude the video this time. Bye bye.
Next time I'll show those fire sticks on my nose if I had one. Yeah.
And I'll eat
So
some.
don't actually try that. That's very
Like those
dangerous.
like that paper towel I had for dinner, like I said I would in the 4th year anniversary. Bye bye everyone.
Bye.
Fake news.